Woo. Hey, hi there. It's Captain Andy coming to you live again from Lake Norman, working on the pandemic pontoon project. Today we're actually doing a little finishing up on the trailer. This thing's kind of been a beast. I can tell you about what's going on here. So we've had to redo the bunk boards, and in the process we found out we had to fabricate new brackets to make the actual proper width of the centers for the pontoon. As you can see, we've got new brackets all the way down this float-on aluminum trailer. Of course, I forgot to mention, I think I showed some pictures, or at least tell you guys about the axles in an earlier video. So we've got the brand new torsion axles on here, got them all bolted on, centered up. Got our new bunk boards made, and of course our new brackets all the way down. It's kind of been a beast. I would rank trailer work right up there with like doing roofing and concrete. Two things that I'm capable of, but don't really like to do. So anyway, we're on the final stages here. Got our new bunk boards, and some of you may have noticed, hey, this guy has used untreated number 2 pine dimensional lumber for his bunk boards. Probably still a lot of manufacturers out there today using treated bunk boards. They're covering them with plastic covers, things that actually insulate the board from the bottom of the aluminum boat. What I've done here today is eliminate the possibility of the copper in the treated wood leaching out and affecting the aluminum. We'll be using this boat in a saltwater environment occasionally, and we definitely don't want to take any chances with electrolysis between the copper and the treated wood and the aluminum hull of the pontoon. So that's why we chose number 2 yellow pine. Primed them real good, 2 coats on each side. We're going to put 2 or 3 coats of what's left in the gallon can on top of here, seal it up real good, get everything working, dialed in, and probably go and cover it with some type of vinyl or plastic covering just to help it slide a little bit. Anyway, we're coming along. We'll have some more video of it when it's completely done, but this thing's been a beast, and we're just about through it. Captain Andy coming to you live from Lake Norman. Stay tuned, and we'll be back to see you soon.